What's up, guys? It's Apollo, and I'm going to be destroying a fidget cube. And, ooh, buttons. So I'm going to be joined by Tanner Productions again, and we're just going to destroy it in a Tanner Split Fire. And I'm going just to destroy something. I'm not going to show my face because it's too freaking light outside. So yeah, this isn't going to be a ways video. We're just going to destroy it. Okay, it's right here on the floor.
It already fell off.
Something literally already fell off. I see why people hate Chinese products, because there's a crack right there. And then this spinning thing fell off.
Yeah.
And it still works. You can still put it back together.
Yeah.
But it broke.
He uses this a lot in a lot of his videos to destroy things. So I guess
a second time. Let's do this.
The same piece fell off.
No, two pieces fell off. This is the joystick kind of thing.
Oh, yeah.
See, look right here. There's that and that. It's gone. Another one. For freak's sake. Here it is. Okay. Yeah. And try something a bit more crazy.
Okay, so we lost a couple pieces.
Also, that tornado that hit, rest in pieces, greenhouse. Okay, so I was just over there and I was getting a bit hungry. I walked over here and found an apple tree, and they're ripe. Hi, welcome to Chili's. The apple's delicious. I can't talk right now, but we're gonna
hit it with
this axe.
Now we're gonna hit it with an axe. Hold on. Make sure
Apple.
So we gotta hit it with this axe. Let's go. Oh, I missed. I'm gonna move this.
God dang it, bro.
What?
Your hair. I'm just kidding. It hit me.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing
Let me do it, bro.
One more time.
Yeah, dude, you
Hit it, so he's gonna hit it. Hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, he's gonna hit it. Missed.
I know, I'm holding two things at the same time.
So I said, let me do it. Missed again.
No.
Oh.
Told you!
Oh my god, guys. That's what's inside a fidget cube.
Let me see it. A lot of stuff in there. Hang on, let me zoom out. There's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of stuff fell off.
So
the clicking thing still works. No, the clicking thing does not work anymore. It only goes to one side and it doesn't click. Everything fell off. And yeah, I'm trying to find the pieces.
Yeah, we don't know where to put it.
Okay, so after 5 minutes, we couldn't do anything.
We couldn't find any pieces. We're gonna crack it open a little more, I guess.
Let's do the heavier axe. I'm gonna sit right here from a safe distance so that I don't die. You keep missing! You keep
I can't find it.
Oh my god, bro. Took us 5 minutes and he found it.
Nothing happened.
Destroy it.
Yeah, so I found it.
Use the sledgehammer side. I'll crush it. Oh my god! It flew way over this direction. I have no idea where it is. Sadly, it's black and green and this grass, though. We found it.
Oh, it like broke in half.
It broke a tiny bit more.
A tiny bit, not
like
much.
there's a crack right there.
Yeah, it's not much.
You've gotten better.
Okay, so we're gonna try and melt it.
Which just probably isn't gonna work.
Yeah.
It's jammed.
Really?
Oh wait, never mind. The safety was on, I think.
Come on, let me try. There we go.
Now it's just... Is anything happening, bro?
No.
The fire doesn't show up in the camera, but there's totally fire.
My camera's showing. Barely. Yeah, it's melting.
Yeah, I think it's melting. It is.
Bubbling. Look at that.
It's bubbling. Can't tell if you can see that, but it is bubbling. Yep. Turn.
Come on, let me...
That looks hot. Ooh.
Okay. Fire's going.
It's already melting. I didn't think it was gonna work.
Guess not.
It's smoking.
No.
5 minutes later. Okay, so I had the idea to put some matches on it.
I'll do it.
Okay. It's pretty bad right now. Look at it.
Oh, no.
Mother freaka! He dropped them all over the floor.
We dropped the...
You dropped like all of them. And that was your fault. It wasn't we. It was your fault.
I'll pick them up.
Straight. Okay, match.
I'm gonna lie and say we put it...
Fire. It's green.
Okay, so we picked them all up. Now we're gonna... Here, give me a torch. Whatever.
Do it 2 at a time.
1, 2, 3.
At a time, really nice. It's gonna be hard to do, you know. He did it.
No, I didn't.
And they burned out.
Let me just do one more.
Yeah, one more.
Man, they burn out.
For freak's sake, man.
Man, they burn out. You do it.
Okay. I'm scared to move it, though. For obvious reasons.
Oh, wait.
Open! Okay, we got it. After like 10 matches.
And it went out.
Should you just take it off now? It's lit.
Okay, now it's on fire.
Yay. Bad idea, bro, but okay. Yeah, it's clearly turning blacker.
If we do this, it'll be...
There's another match in there.
See.
Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's enough matches.
Yeah.
We just set a piece of plastic on fire.
Kinda. It's bubbling like crazy.
It's bubbling like crazy. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you the aftermath in a second. We put a stick on it.
Paul put a stick on it. And it's kind of burning.
I think I just made it work. It's starting to deform, but my camera is such bad quality that you can't really see it.